Finding studs in plaster walls is a nightmare, and using the wrong tool just makes it worse. So which stud finder actually works on thick, old-school plaster? In this video, we're breaking down the 10 best stud finders for plaster walls, covering detection depth, accuracy, ease of use, and price, so you can hang things with confidence and stop guessing. Number 1. Franklin Sensors Pro Sensor M210 Stud Finder. The Franklin Sensors Pro Sensor M210 is honestly the gold standard if you're serious about plaster walls. It packs 13 sensors and 21 LEDs into one tool, lighting up across the full width of a stud so you always know exactly where the edges and center are. Zero guesswork involved. What really sets it apart is that there's no calibration needed at all. Just press it to the wall and sweep. The built-in bubble level and pencil caddy make it even more practical for real jobs. If you want the best premium option for plaster walls, this is it. Next up, something completely different. The StudPop Magnetic Stud Finder runs on 0 batteries and 0 calibration. It uses a powerful rare earth magnet to latch right onto the screws and nails hidden inside your plaster, which is actually a brilliantly simple approach. There's nothing to set up, nothing to charge, and nothing to break. It won't detect wood directly, but on genuine lath and plaster walls loaded with fasteners, it's surprisingly reliable. The absolute best low-tech pick for classic plaster walls. Coming in at number 3, the Jax WQ Stud Finder is a budget Amazon wildcard that punches above its price. It offers 3 detection modes: stud, metal, and acquire, backed by an LCD display with both audio and visual alerts to guide you along the wall. Detection depth lands in the 1.5 to 1.9 inch range, which is solid for most plaster setups. It's not the flashiest tool out there, but the value-to-performance ratio is tough to argue with. A decent budget scanner for DIYers who don't want to overspend. Number 4. Mercurit Stud Finder. The Mercurit Stud Finder is a strong budget performer you shouldn't overlook. It reaches up to 1.89 inches deep in scan mode, one of the deeper readings in this price range, and its backlit LCD makes it easy to read in dim spaces like basements or closets. Multiple scan modes, an audio warning system, and an ergonomic grip round out the package nicely. It's powered by a standard 9-volt battery and handles wood, metal, and live-ac wire detection. Definitely a strong value pick for plaster wall projects. Halfway through our list, the Zircon Multi-Scanner A250 brings a name you can trust. Zircon has been in the stud finder game for decades, and the A250 backs that rep with wire warning detection, a spotlight pointer, and auto-correction to keep false positives in check. It detects wood, metal, and live-ac up to 1.5 inches deep, powered by a 9-volt battery. It may not have the deepest scan depth on this list, but if brand reliability matters to you, Zircon delivers. A solid brand reliability pick for pros and serious DIYers alike. Number 6. Prexiso Stud Finder. The Prexiso Stud Finder earns its spot as the best rechargeable option in the lineup. Forget hunting for batteries. This one charges via USB, which is a genuinely convenient feature for anyone who hates dead batteries mid-project. It scans for wood, metal, and ac wire at depths in the 1.5 to 1.9 inch range, with a digital screen and both visual and audio guidance. Multiple detection modes give you flexibility depending on what's behind your plaster. If you love the idea of a stud finder You just plug in to charge. This is your pick. Number 7. Miapro Stud Finder. The Miapro Stud Finder stands out with one of the largest HD LCD displays in this price range, making it super easy to read scan results at a glance. It covers wood, metal, and AC wire detection with multiple scan modes and clear audio and visual alerts. Detection depth runs in the 1.5 to 1.9 inch range, hitting that sweet spot for most plaster wall thicknesses. The big display makes it especially user-friendly when you're working overhead or in awkward angles. A feature-packed budget pick that doesn't feel cheap to use. Number 8. Pavlin Stud Finder Wall Scanner. The Pavlin Stud Finder Wall Scanner is built with beginners in mind, and it shows. The multi-mode scanning covers wood, metal, and AC wire, while clear audible alerts and center-finding assistance take the stress out of your first few jobs. Detection depth sits in the 1.5 to 1.9 inch range, and the LCD screen keeps everything readable during sweeps. It's not loaded with bells and whistles, but it does exactly what it needs to do without confusion. A great affordable general-purpose option for first-time plaster wall drillers. Number 9. The Stud Buddy Magnetic Stud Finder. Don't underestimate the little guy. The Stud Buddy Magnetic Stud Finder is the ultimate minimalist backup tool. Like the Stud Pop, it uses a strong magnet to find fasteners inside plaster walls, with no batteries, no calibration, and no fuss whatsoever. It's compact enough to toss in a tool bag or a pocket, and it's practically indestructible. Magnetic finders won't work on every wall type, but for old lath and plaster construction, they're surprisingly effective. Keep one of these as your go-to backup. You'll be glad you did. Closing out our list, the DeWalt Stud Finder is the contractor-trusted mainstream pick that needs no introduction. It auto-calibrates on startup, detects wood, metal, and live AC down to 1.5 inches, and comes wrapped in a tough housing that can handle a job site. The center marking channel is a small detail that makes a real difference when you're marking multiple points along a wall. It runs on AAA batteries, which are easy to find anywhere. If you want a reliable, no-nonsense tool from a brand contractors swear by, DeWalt delivers. So there you have it, the 10 best stud finders for plaster walls. If we had to pick two standouts, the Franklin ProSensor M210 wins for premium accuracy, and the Stud Pop wins for dead simple magnetic convenience. Check the links in the description to grab your pick. If this helps, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. Which one caught your eye? Drop a comment below. See you in the next one.